Hanap mo ba ay is recipe ng banana cake? And this recipe is for you. Ang una natin gagawin ay preheat ang iyong oven sa 175 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Ang ating mga ingredients ay 100 grams butter, 2 or 3 banana, 2 egg, 180 grams sugar, 240 grams flour, 15 grams baking powder, 10 grams vanilla sugar, and 100 grams milk. Ibibake natin siya sa middle ng ating oven ng 1 hour. And that's it! Your banana cake is ready. So, pwede nyo siyang gawing pang negosyo, hindi lang pang merienda. Super napakasarap. And pwede mo siyang i-brush ng milk or ng butter. 100% I'm sure na magugustuhan yan ng inyong customer kung magnenegosyo kayo ng banana cake. This is for you and enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe.